Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another super healthy and easy recipe, chicken and vegetable stew. For this we need boneless chicken, spring onion, ginger, garlic, potato, carrot and green peas. For seasoning we would need soy sauce, salt, pepper and oyster sauce. Let's begin with peeling and chopping all the vegetables. Separate the onion whites from the greens and chop them. Once all the veggies are ready, heat 1 teaspoon oil in a pan and add the grated ginger and garlic. Saute this for about 30 seconds till the raw smell fades. Add the onion whites and saute for another 30 seconds. Now add all the veggies along with some salt, cover and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes till the veggies became a little soft. Time to add the protein. Here we are using chicken, but for the vegetarian version of this recipe, you can use paneer, tofu or even soyabeans instead. Cover and cook for another 2 minutes till the chicken turns white. Once the chicken turns white, add in pepper powder, soy sauce and oyster sauce and mix everything very well. Add the onion greens and give it a good mix. Add 1 cup of water to this, or you can add more depending on how soupy you want your stew to be. Check and adjust the salt according to your taste. Cover with the lid, cook on slow flame till the water comes to a boil. Remove the lid and give it a final mix. And your delicious and healthy super meal is ready to serve. Do give this recipe a try and subscribe to our channel for more such updates. Until next time, eat healthy, live healthy. Have a great day.